If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Elden Ring, calibrating the audio settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust the audio settings effectively. Step 1. Access the audio settings. Navigate to the game's main menu and select the Options tab. From there, find the audio settings to access various audio configurations. Step 2. Adjust audio output. In the audio settings, check the audio output options. Ensure that the correct output device is selected, such as your headphones or speakers, to avoid any desync caused by incorrect device settings. Step 3. Set audio delay. Look for an option that allows you to adjust audio delay or latency. If available, try increasing or decreasing the delay in small increments to see if it resolves the desync issue. Step 4. Test audio balance. Play a scene in the game that has clear audio cues. Adjust the volume levels for different audio categories like music, sound effects, and dialogue to find a balance that minimizes any noticeable desync. Step 5. Restart the game. After making adjustments, restart Elden Ring to ensure that all changes take effect. This can help reset any lingering audio issues and allow you to test if the calibration has resolved the desync. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively calibrate the audio settings in Elden Ring and reduce any desync issues. Enjoy your gaming experience.